With the experience and expertise to design and engineer custom springs to meet their customers' specific requirements, the next company we visited provides a level of service that is unparalleled in the spring industry. To learn more, we visited Houston, Texas, and met with Coiling Technologies. Established in 1976, Coiling Technologies utilizes reliable, fast, and cost-effective technologies to design and engineer custom springs. They can also assist in choosing the best material for your specific application.
Hi, I'm Roger Holman. I own Coiling Technologies. We are a spring manufacturer located in Houston, Texas. Family business has been around since 1976. So our company supplies springs all over the world. We provide products in a wide range, all the way from small to very large bars. We service industries that would surprise most people. We cover almost every industry in the country. Springs are in everything from small to large, things you would never think of. It's really kind of amazing, the products that we supply to people.
Their core competence includes both large and small custom-made compression springs, disc springs, extension springs, torsion springs, and wave springs. Their quality management system is also ISO 9001-2015 certified by DNV, and their rejection rate is less than 1%.
Manufacture springs and supply springs on an OEM basis. We supply springs that are custom-made, engineered in-house, designed. We provide programs to all of our customers that include Kanban, blanket orders. We provide a host of coatings and in-process adaptations that help enhance the cycle life and performance of our springs. And we provide these to, like I said, all industries in the United States.
Whether your requirements are for one piece or more than a million, Coiling Technologies has the capability to meet your needs.
So I would say the thing that makes us probably the greatest is our ability to cold coil bars up to 2.5 inch. We developed that process over the last 25 years, and cold coiling would mean we actually coil the bars when they're at room temperature versus putting them in a large batch oven and heating them up to 1500 degrees and then coiling them while they're hot. So we were required to develop specific equipment that could handle those stresses, and we were able to overcome those. In the end, we feel it provides a better product. It allows us to run a lot tighter tolerances, and allows us to batch heat treat all of our parts and get a lot better hardness ranges, and so they operate a lot better. We're currently the only company in the United States of America that can coil bars that large, and it really sets us apart from all of our competitors.
By manufacturing compression springs that meet your exact specifications and perform in the most demanding and challenging industrial applications, Coiling Technologies is truly one of the world's greatest.